This is my digital photo frame. This is coming directly from Immich. So all of this is self-hosted. I'm not using the built-in Frameo. You can see the interface is a little bit different. So right now I have it configured to pull all of the images from a couple of albums. So if I add a photo to the album in Immich, then it will get put here automatically. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to upload photos. I don't have to use an SD card. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how I did that. Now, again, this is specifically for Immich using ImmichFrame on a Frameo digital picture frame. Technically, this could probably work for other services. It might just be helpful to kind of see the steps that I do to see if that's something you want to try to do or not. I do have all of the instructions in the video description below. You will need to set up your self-hosted ImmichFrame server. So let me kind of just talk about a few things I did. Now, this is in Portainer. This is my docker-compose file. Originally, I had tried to use volumes and put all the config files in that. That's what they recommend. I never got that able to connect. So what I did instead is I just added everything in the environment, and I have instructions and links in the video description, so have a look at that. But the main thing that you need is your Immich server URL. So this points to your Immich server, and then you will need an API key. So to get the API key, what you do is you go into your account settings, and then it will say API keys, and then you just create a new API key. You will need to specify what you want, and again, check out the instructions for everything specific that you need here. Once you've created ImmichFrame, make sure that it's actually up and running. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and okay, so it looks good. I'm connected to ImmichFrame. It is working. This is kind of what I've configured: weather, clock, date, names, and stuff like that. If you go back here, you can see show people description true. You could set that to false, or you could just have that removed altogether. I changed the date format, the way it lists country, state, city. If you want to show weather, then you will need to add an API key, and again, more information in the video description. Now that you've verified ImmichFrame is working, go ahead and plug in the USB cable to your digital photo frame, plug it into the computer. Once you have the Frameo settings open, you'll want to make sure you turn on debugging, and then you enable the ADP mode so that you can communicate from your computer to the digital photo frame. All right, so I have PowerShell open as administrator. Going to navigate to my downloads folder. You can see in my downloads folder, I already have the WebView APK. This is optional, and I recommend you rename the WebView APK file to actually say WebView APK. And then I have the ImmichFrame APK as well. To make sure that you are connected, you'll want to run ADB devices, and then you can see it will list what device is connected. And then from here, you want to update your WebView, again optional, and then you want to sideload and install ImmichFrame. I'm going to go ahead and get WebView updated first. So we're going to push WebView APK to the SD card area in the tablet. This will take just a minute. Now we want to enter root. Oh boy, it looks like this is rooted, so I'm not sure why I'm not able to enter shell. All right, so I'm going to enter ADB shell and then try. Okay, that worked. I don't know why it didn't work the other way. We're in business. Now I want to back up the original WebView APK, so let's do that. Let's try cat instead of copy. Ah, that seemed to work. Okay, let's try removing the existing WebView file. Okay, let's copy over the new one, exit, and let's reboot. All right, now we want to sideload ImmichFrame, so ADB install ImmichFrame, success, and let's reboot to see if it's working. All right, perfect. So it says select a home app, and we won't want to do ImmichFrame. I want to do this just once in case I want to open Frameo after this. The main thing we need to do here is the ImmichFrame server URL, so HTTP, and then the port number. I believe I selected 9081. Okay, and hopefully that should be it. We do have use web view enabled because we installed or updated web view. Let me close the settings and let's see what we get. It's loading. It's working. Boom. There we go. That does what I want it to do. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, refer to the links I have in the video description. They go into a lot more details. This was kind of just a rough, how did I do it? What worked for me? Overall, I'm really happy with it. It's Christmas Eve right now, so I'm just getting this ready for my wife for Christmas Day. So when we want to add photos to the digital picture frame, I don't have to use the Frameo app, which I've never been a huge fan of. I don't have to put in an SD card. It's just immediate, really nice and pretty easy to do.